Okay, I have to do the video quick because it'll be too large. I have this unit plugged into the wall, and it was completely black until I plugged it in. This came on. I tried to push this to see the display, but nothing shows up. I tried holding it in like I do when I turn it on, because I thought, well, maybe the solar panels drained the battery or something, because it was at 68%. When then I switched solar panels, because the one solar panel got those bubbles, so I unplugged it, I turned it off, unplugged it, and switched the solar panel to the other one. And then the same thing happened to the other solar panel. I sent you pictures of those. There's a fan that came on here, and it's a little bit warm air on that side and cool air on this side, and it was making a little bit of a noise, right now it just sounds like a fan, but it was making a little bit of a noise just now, like sorry if that's weird sounding, but it's only making notice. Anyway, I've had it plugged in for a few minutes, and it's just got that fan going. And then the only other thing that happened is this light stayed on, and that little noise I just made was very faintly coming from the unit. I don't know. What do you guys think?